Where there is a penetration in the roof sheeting, such as a vent or extractor pipe, a GRP soaker flange can be used. These can be purchased from specialist GRP fabricators to match our profile and have a pipe spigot set to suit the roof pitch, as shown here. The fibre cement sheet can be cut to accommodate the penetration before being installed, and the GRP soaker flange should be laid over the top, pushing the top of the flange up underneath the next course of sheets. The GRP soaker flange is then fixed into place using self-sealing fasteners with a synthetic rubber shank to stitch it to the fibre cement sheeting in every corrugation at the top and bottom, as well as at 300 to 400mm centres up the sides. An alternative to the pipe spigot is to have a generic GRP soaker flange like this and use an EPDM pipe flashing over the penetration. Install the soaker flange in the same way, stitching to the fibre cement sheet in every corrugation, top and bottom, as well as at regular intervals up the sides. Apply silicone to the EPDM flashing and dress over the pipe, ensuring a tight fit at the base. Fix if necessary, always as per the EPDM pipe flashing manufacturer's installation instructions.